I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. Okay, student. Today we are going to start our lecture number 5, and also week is 5. Unit number 2, numbers. Today we will solve exercise number 10 and page number 22. Okay, student, look at the exercise number 10. What is statement? A millimeter shows the following reading at the start of a journey 389 kilometer. What will the reading be when the car has traveled? Student, as you know, this is millimeter and it shows the reading and distance which we covered during our journey. You can see this millimeter. What is saying in the statement? When this car start journey, the distance was 389 kilometer. When this car start the journey, the distance was 389 kilometer. जब इस कार ने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया तो इसका स्टार्टिंग डिस्टेंस क्या था? 389 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस था. Okay, student. Now we have to give the answer. Number 1 is 10 kilometer from the start. If a car cover 10 kilometer from the start, अगर एक कार स्टार्ट से 10 किलोमीटर जर्नी कवर करेगी तो मुझे आपने बताना है कि टोटल जो है वो डिस्टेंस कितना किलोमीटर हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू ऐड 385 प्लस 10. हम क्या करेंगे? इस 389 में इस 10 को ऐड कर देंगे. लाइक दिस 389 and we have to add 10. These are ones, tens, 100. 10 is in tens place value, so we have to write in its value which is in tens. So we have to add these. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9 and this is 3. So when we add 10 kilometer into 389, so what will be the answer? 399. Student, understand? As I told you, the starting when this car start his journey, जब इस कार ने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया तब डिस्टेंस था 389 किलोमीटर. When he covered 10 किलोमीटर from the start, जब उन्होंने स्टार्ट से 10 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर किया तो फिर आपने बताना है, फिर हमने बताना है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा. स्टार्ट में तो 389 था, जब 10 उन्होंने और कवर कर लिया. When they covered 10 kilometer more, so what will be the distance at that time? So we have to add 10 into 389. हम 389 में 10 को जब ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा जो है वो टोटल डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा जो उन्होंने 10 किलोमीटर के दौरान कवर किया. ओके, दिस वन हैज डन. नाउ मूव टू द नंबर 2. 60 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वाज if they cover 10 kilometer from the start, we have done this. Now move to the next number 2. 60 kilometer from the start. If they cover 60 kilometer from the start, अगर वो 60 किलोमीटर स्टार्ट से कवर करते हैं तो हमने फिर बताना है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा. हमने इस नंबर में 389 में इन नंबर्स को ऐड करते जाना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, have to add all these numbers into these numbers. 389 kilometer. Now what should we do now? We have to add this 60 kilometer. This is in tens place, so we have to write this 60 into its tens place. 1 tens 100. So we have to write 60 from tens place. Okay student, 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 6, what will be the answer? When we add 8 into 6, it will be 14. Here is 14. What will we do now? We have to write this one's number here and it will go to over the 100. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 400. What is the answer? 449. So we have to write here 449. Understand, student? When we add 10 into 389, our answer is 399. When we add 60 kilometer from the start, we have to add this 60 into 300 kilometers. So answer will be 449. This one has done. Now move to the this 1 and 2 has done. Now move to the next, number 3. 200 kilometers from the start. Now what should do we now? We have to add this 200 into this 389. We have to add all these numbers in this given number. 389 is number which is given us. Now we have to add this 200. 200 plus 200 kilometers from the start. Okay, starting reading was 389 kilometers when they covered 200 kilometers from the start. So we have to add this 200 into this starting kilometer. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, student. What is the answer here? 589. Okay. Now next move to the number 4. 600 kilometers from the start. Now what will do we now? We have to add this 600 into this 389. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. I have told you 0 has no value. There is no any number in 0. So when we add any number with 0, the answer will be same. जब भी हम 0 के साथ कोई भी नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा वो नंबर सेम ही रहता है, बिकॉज 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So what is the answer? 989 kilometer. Okay, student, understand? Again I am telling you, here is a millimeter. Its starting reading was 389 kilometer. जब इस कार ने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया उस वक्त स्टार्टिंग रीडिंग जो थी 389 किलोमीटर था. When they covered 10 kilometer from the start, जब उन्होंने स्टार्ट से 10 किलोमीटर कवर किया तो हमने बताना है कि टोटल उन्होंने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर लिया. So we have to add 389 into 10. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इस 10 को इस 389 में जब ऐड करेंगे तो हम अपना एडिशन वाला आंसर यहाँ राइट कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. 60 kilometer from the start. If they cover 60 kilometer from the start, what should do we now? We have to add 60 into 389. So answer will be that. Next, number 3 is 200 kilometer from the start. If they cover 200 kilometer from the start, so what should we do now? We have to add 200 into this given number. Answer will be this. Next is 600 kilometer from the start. If they cover 600 kilometer from the start, so what will be the total kilometer? So we have to add 600 into 300. Like this, answer will be this. Okay, student, understand? Okay, student. Now next is exercise number 11. Count and write backward in tens. Okay, student. Count and write then backward in tens. Backward counting in tens. We have to count backward in tens. Okay, student. What is written in statement count and then write backward in tens? We have to count backward into tens. First of all, we have to write here ones. This is our ones number. This is our tens number. This is our 100 number. 5 is ones, 8 is tens, 7 is hundred. So now what we have to do now? We have to write backward counting into tens. Backward means we have to move back. We have to move back. Back means we have to move 85. This is our ones number. This is our tens number. This is our hundred number. And we have to minus this 10 into this tens. For example, 8 is in tens number. We have to minus 1 because this is our 10. 8 is also in tens place. 8. When we add a minus 8, when we minus 1 into 8, so what will be the answer? 775. नंबर इंटू टेंस, हम जो नंबर टेंस में होगा जस्ट उसी को चेंज करेंगे बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड इंटू टेंस. हम काउंटिंग जो है वो टेंस में राइट कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन आवर टेंस नंबर. हमने अपने टेंस नंबर को फोकस करना है, सिर्फ टेंस नंबर को चेंज करना है. हमने ना वंस को देखना है ना हंड्रेड को देखना है बिकॉज दिस इज आवर काउंटिंग इन टेंस एंड दिस इज आवर बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. बैकवर्ड मीन्स हमने उसके पहले वाला नंबर राइट करना है, उसका प्रीवियस नंबर राइट करना है. सो देखिए, लुक एट द बोर्ड. 785 एज आई टोल्ड यू. 5 इज इन वंस प्लेस, 8 इज इन टेंस प्लेस, 100 इज इन सेवन प्लेस. सो हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेंस वाले नंबर को फोकस करना है. वी हैव टू फोकस जस्ट आवर टेंस नंबर. Tens number is 8. So we have to move back from the 8. We have to move back one number from the 8. हमने 8 से previous number लेना है. So what is the previous number from 8? 7. So we have to write here 775. Okay student, now we have to write the next number. 100 number will be same. 100 number हम as it is ही write करेंगे. 100 number change नहीं होगा. Now next is tens number. Tens number, here is 8, here is 7. Now what is the previous number? What is the previous number of from 7? 7 से previous number कौन सा होगा? 6 होगा. When we minus 1 from 7, so we have to write here 6. So what will be the answer? 765. This is our backward counting. Backward counting means we have to move back. हमने उनका previous पहले वाला नंबर लेना है. Okay. Now move to the next. 700 will be same. Next is tens number. When we minus 1 into our tens, so we have to write here 5. 755. Next number will be 700 and when we minus 1 from 5, here will be 4. 745. Okay student, understand? In this method we have to change just number into tens. जो हमारा number tens में होगा just हम उसको back move करेंगे. 100 number and ones number will be same. We can't change 100 and ones number because our counting is into tens. And this is our backward counting. We have to move back. हमें back आना है, हमें previous number लेना है. Now next is 496. First of all we have to write ones, tens, 100. 6 is ones number, 9 is tens number, 4 is 100 number. So now what will we do now? We have to start writing our counting in backward. 496. We have to write 400. 100 will be same. Which number we are going to change? In which value we are doing our counting? In tens. So here is 9. When we move back from the 9, जब हम 9 से back आएंगे, 9 का backward देखेंगे तो कौन सा होगा? 8. If we minus 1 from this 9, answer will be 8. 486. Okay student. Now next 4 will be same. Now next is tens number. Now we have to write the previous number from the 8, that is 7, and here is 6 will be same. Next 400 and what is the back number from the 7, that is 6. 466. Next 400 and what will be the previous number from 6? 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 456. As you can see, student, just tens number is changed. You can see in both numbers, just tens number is changing. This is our ones number, tens number, hundred number. Ones and hundred number is same. आप देखें यहाँ पर सब में वंस और 100 वाला नंबर सेम है, जस्ट हमारा टेंथ वाला नंबर चेंज हुआ है बिकॉज हम अपनी बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग टेंथ में कर रहे हैं, तो हमने अपने टेंथ वाले नंबर को ही मूव करना है एंड मूव बैक. सो यू कैन सी हियर इज 785, 775. You can see here just our tenth number is getting changed. Next is 765, 755, 745. Understand? Next 496. Next is 486. Which number is changing? In tens our number is changing. Next is 476, 466, 456. Understand, student? Now student, remaining two parts you have to solve at your home by yourself. It's your home task and it is your practice. You have to do this practice at your home. Now move to the next exercise, exercise number 12. Student, now move to the exercise number 12, which is a statement. 12, skip count in hundreds and then write the numbers. In exercise number 11, we write the backward counting, but in exercise number 12, skip count in tens. It means this is our forward counting. We have to skip hundred. We have to write the forward counting. We have to skip 100 number from our given number. Number 675. Skip means we have to write forward counting. We have to write next number. In backward counting, we wrote the previous number. In skip count in tens, in this method, we have to write the next number. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So, which number is given as 100? We have to change our counting. We have to write our counting into hundreds. For example, here is 675. If we skip 600, first we have to focus our 100 number as we done in our exercise number 11. In exercise number 11, we have to focus our tens number, but in the exercise number 12, we have to focus our hundreds number because here is 100 number given us. Okay student, हमने क्या करना है कि हमने 100 number हमने 100 number को change करना है. Okay. In 675, if we add 100 more into 600, इस 600 में हम 100 more और add करते हैं, तो ये 600 कितने हो जाएंगे? How many hundreds will be? 700. So we have to write here 7. Just this number will be changed. Our tens number, our ones number will be same. Okay student, just हमारा 100 number change होगा because ये हमारी counting 100 में है. This is our counting in 100. Just our 100 number will be changed. Our tens number and ones number, हमारा ones and 100 tens number same रहेगा, उसको हम change नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Now move to the next. When we add 100 more into the 700. As you can see, this is our ones number, this is our tens number, this is our 100 number. ये हमारा 100 number है, तो हमने 100 number में इस number में ही 100 और add करना है. When we add 100 more into this 700, so what number will we get? 8. 800 and 7 and 5 will be same. Okay students. Now we have to write the next. When we add 100 more into this 100. How many 100 will be here? 9. We have to write here 900 and 75 will be same. It will not change because we are writing our counting into 100. Just we have to change our 100 number. After 9, what number will come? 10 and 75. What is 1075? Student, understand? This is our, in skip counting we have to write the next number. Which number is given us? We have to write the next number from this number. जो नंबर हमें दिया गया है हमें उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर राइट करना है. और एंड इन विच काउंटिंग? हंड्रेड्स काउंटिंग. हमने जस्ट अपने 100 नंबर पर फोकस करना है. हमने 100 नंबर को चेंज करना है. 675. When we add one more into 100 number, it will be 775. When we add one more into 100 number, it will be 875. When we add one more into 8, it will be 975. When we add one more into 9, it will be 1075. Understand, student? Just we are adding 100 more into our 100 number. Then 57, 1, 10, 100. So student, what will we do now? We have to add 100. So which is our 100 number? This is our 100 number. When we add 100 more into this 100, this is 400. Add 100 more. How many hundreds are there? 500. So we have to write here 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Just we are adding 100. Our tens and ones will be same as it is. We can't change these numbers. Now add 100 more into this 100 number. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. 657. Okay student, now we add 1 more into this 100 number. What will be the answer? 6 plus 1, 7. 757. Again and again I am telling you student, we have to change just our 100 number. Ones and tens number will be same. We can't change. We are not allowed to change our ones and tens number. हमने just अपना 100 number को change करना है. Just 100 में 100 और add करते जाना है. Plus 1 is equal to 857. Okay student, you can see 675 after 600, 775 after 700, 875 after 800, 975 after 900, 1075. Here is 457 after 400, 557. We are moving forward. We are adding one more into our 100 number. So after 557, here is 657. After 600, here is 757. After 700, here is 857. Okay students, remaining questions you have to solve by yourself at your home. This is your home task. Okay students, this is our exercise number 13. What is the statement? Tick the biggest number and cross the smallest number. Here are some numbers given us. So you have to look at these numbers. The biggest number, you have to tick the biggest number and you have to cross the smallest number. आपने इस लाइन में, फुल लाइन में सब नंबर्स देखने हैं. इसमें जो आपका सबसे बिगेस्ट नंबर होगा, ग्रेटर नंबर होगा, उसको आपने टिक करना है एंड स्मॉलर नंबर को आपने क्रॉस करना है. लाइक दिस नंबर 2 में भी आपने ऐसे ही करना है. You have to find the greatest number. The number that will greatest, you have to tick that number and you have to cross the smallest number. Just one number you have to tick into greatest and one number you have to cross. Just 2 numbers को हमने मार्क करना है. जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट होगा उसको टिक करना है, जो सबसे स्मॉल होगा उसको क्रॉस करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर देखें 467, 865, 963, 453, so 462. You can see In this 963 is the greatest number. So greatest number will be tick, and 453 is the smaller number. We have to cross out this number. Like this you have to solve these remaining parts. Okay student, ये आपका होम टास्क है, ये आपने खुद से अपने घर में करना है. जस्ट आपने ग्रेटर और स्मॉलर नंबर को फाइंड आउट करके टिक और क्रॉस करना है. Okay student, now move on the exercise number 15. And what is the statement? Write the following in ascending order. So what is ascending order? In ascending order we have to move from the smallest number to greatest number. From the smallest to greatest number. Okay student, first we start our counting. We start writing our numbers from the small to greatest. First we start small, then we move to the next greater, greatest. Okay student, in ascending order we have to move, we have to write our numbers from the small numbers to greatest numbers. For example, okay student, here are some numbers given us, so we have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. Vertical ascending order, as I told you, we have to arrange our numbers from the smallest to greatest. So what should we do now? First of all we have to write ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. This is our first step. First we have to write ones, tens, hundred. Now we have to focus our hundred number. We have to look our hundred number. If hundred number is greater, that will be our greater number. Here is 454, again 456, 654, 465. Okay. Among these numbers 4, 4, 6 and 4, which hundred number is greater? This is our greater number because its hundred number is greater. Now look at the next number, which is our smaller number. 4 is our smaller number, but here is 4 3 times. 400, 400, 400. So now we have to look the next number, which will be in tens. Because here is 5 in tens number, again 5 in tens number, and here is 6. Okay student, it means these both are our smaller number, but again they both number are same. Here 45, 45 same. Now what should do we now? We have to look at the number ones. Which number is smaller in ones? Here is 4. 4 is smaller, here is 6, 6 is greater. It means this number is smaller because its ones number is smaller than its ones number. So we have to write here 454. It's our smaller number. Okay. Next, after 454, 456. Okay student. Next, again this number we have to write 465. Now this is our greatest number, we have to write at the end. Okay student, as you can see, first number is smallest, and our last number is greatest. In ascending order, we always arrange our numbers from the smallest to greatest. First we have to write smaller number, then next great number, then greater, then greatest. Okay student, understand? Student, again what in ascending order we have to arrange. In ascending order, what we do now, we have to arrange from the smallest to greatest. So first of all, what we do? Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay student. Now Which number we have to focus? हमने किस नंबर को देखना है, कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है? We have to focus our 100 number. 6, 7, 5, 8. Okay. Now look which number is smallest. Which number is smallest in 100? जो नंबर हमारा 100 में smallest होगा, that will be our smallest number. 6, 7, 5, 8. 5 is our smallest number, so we have to write here 567. This has done. Now skip this number. Look at the next remaining numbers. 686, 786, 875. Which is the smaller? 686 is smaller. We have to write 686. We have done this. Now skip. Now move to the next. Among these both numbers, 786 is smaller, and next 875. Understand, student? Like this, we have to arrange our number from the smallest to greatest. Next, write the following in descending order. In ascending order, what we have done? We arrange our number from smallest to greatest. But in descending order, we have to arrange our number from greatest to smallest. This is the opposite of ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange from the smallest to greatest. In ascending order. But in descending order, we move from the greatest to smallest. Both are opposite to each other. Similarly, we have to write ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Okay, student? So, which number we have to look? We have to look the number in which is in 100. This is 100, this is 200, this is 400, this is 400. So which number is greater? 400 is greater, but both are 400. This is 432, this is 423. This is 400, this is 400. Both are greater, so we have to look the next number which is in tens. This is number 3, this is number 2. So 3 is in greater, so we have to write here 432. Okay, student? Now, next 423. Okay? Now, 242, 124. This is 100, this is 200. 200 is greater, so it means it is our greater number. So we have to write here 242 and last is 124. Understand, student? In descending order, we have to move from greatest number to smallest number. As you can see, our first number is greatest and last number is smallest. Understand, student? In first, just we have to look our number which is in 100. If 100 number is greater, it means this is our greater number. If 100 number is smaller, it means this is our smaller number. Okay, student? So remaining questions you have to solve at your home by yourself. Okay, student? This is your home task. Maths, do practice of exercise number 10 to 16. You have to solve and also do practice of these exercises plus learn plus write times table of 6. This is your home task. Okay, students, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.